Think that all outdoor pergolas are built the same? Think again. I've got 3 unique elements that will make your pergola stand out. Let's start with your post size. You can choose a 6-inch post or you can choose an 8-inch post. There's a multitude of post sizes to choose from, anywhere from 4 to 12 inches, each making your pergola look distinct. But why settle for just 1 post when you can have 3? These attach completely different, extending beyond the pergola. Point number 2, your traditional pergola, or insulated roof as we like to call them, have a white solid top. You can also change it up and include IOS wood, change the color to a darker color, or use cladding to give it a completely different style. Point number 3, if you're looking for privacy or just to add a homey feel, choose an accent wall. We can finish them with ivy for a pop of color or artificial turf. You can use louvers. The louvers are gonna give you more privacy. You can even do these with a custom teak look to them, all designed to hang your TV, to give you privacy, or even just for a decorative inspiration. To transform your outdoor living space, give us a call today at 786-605-1675, or you can visit us on the web at miamialuminumpergola.com.